Stock in focus now is Suzlon Energy. Suzlon Energy, as you know, over the years, it's been darling for the retail investor, provided great return in last 5 years, 90% CAGR return. Extraordinary multi-bagger stock, guys. But now from last few months, it's not moving. It's been down 20% from the top. So let us understand that. And this question is asked by Umisha, Jayant, Rageshwari, and Rohan has asked about Suzlon Industries. Now, guys, Suzlon, as you are aware, it's in wind energy. Okay, and over the years, by the way, before I go, if you have any question related to stock or setup, put it in the comment box, guys. I do take it, and at the end of this Suzlon analysis, I'll take your questions asked in the comment box. Okay, the earlier questions. And yes, do like and subscribe to our channel without fail, okay? Because every day we are coming with the videos related to stocks. Now, talking about Suzlon, guys, Suzlon, it's been market leader in the wind energy. Now, when we talk about renewable energies, okay, overall by 2030, the India target is to have 100 gigawatt of renewable energy. Out of that, major part is of solar, and then comes the wind energy. Again, wind energy also is far behind, no doubt. You can hear wind energy from last 15-20 years, but it's not been so much installed capacity, is not so much. And that is where the Suzlon is a leader. Suzlon, if you ask, no, it's almost 32% of the total market share of India's wind turbine market. So no, leader. And you must have heard the another name, that is Inox Wind, which is a competitor of Suzlon. We'll talk about that also. We'll try to compare both the companies at the end to get the proper understanding. But yes, these are the two companies which major are there. And again, no, Suzlon over the 29 years, no, has been there in this segment, much ahead of the time they come in this segment. And no, they do designing, then operations, then no installation, again the service they provide. So after services, after the installation they provide, there also the margin is quite good. Okay, so this is a simple way how they provide the services. Again, totally they have already installed no, around 20 gigawatt of turbine across India and world over, and again in the almost 17 countries. So no, quite a rich experience Suzlon is having. Okay, and Suzlon is always a market leader, one of a market leader and global experience to provide a number one quality in turbine installation all, and that's why it's been named. Now here, some of the concerns we'll talk about in detail, but I'll talk about the positive. Over the time, now this company is able to generate lot of cash. It's been able to turn around. The best thing is, now earlier no one was giving chance to Suzlon when it was like a penny stock, no, 4-5 rupees. The way it has fallen. Uske baad jo turn around kiya hai, the word the after no Tulsi Tanti left the world, I think that there's a big turnaround, a good with a capable management. Okay, and this is what is why no Suzlon has gone up to almost 80 level. No, around 6-7 rupees has gone to 80 level, and over the years they have provided a good sales growth and the profit growth. That's why 90% growth you have. But overall, guys, now what is happening, that the capacity and all that, even though they have, okay, they have almost an order book of 5 gigawatt of already they have an order book, but still the capacity is lacking in order to provide the what you say, fulfill the order. And again, more than capacity, there is another problem which Suzlon is facing, is that no, the you can say they provide they fulfill the order also, but the land acquisition and the turbine installation and the electricity availability on the land where they want to do it, there it is taking lot of time. Okay, so that is also a major issue and risk which Suzlon is facing, that sometimes they have the no product available, but they are not able to install it because of this all these issues. So this is also one of the problem. It's not only Suzlon is facing, even it is faced by no Inox and all that, and that is what you have to keep in mind. The good thing is that the big player earlier in wind turbine, like no Siemens Gamesa, okay, and other large players already quit the market, and that's why Suzlon got the complete, literally a good pie of the wind market. And of course, they are doing everything, but the honestly, what I told you about the land acquisition and all that, no, and the turbine facility, and again the electricity and all that, no, so many things are there which is creating a lot of problem for the Suzlon overall. And hopefully they'll able to cater. They are doing everything, but yes, things are a concern there. Again, a big competition what Suzlon is be facing through Adani. Adani is also coming into that, and it's a major threat. You know that Adani is such a big group. If they are coming, then they will come in a full fledged. So there also Adani is getting into it. So there competition, but competition तो पहले से थी सुजलॉन के पास, ऐसा नहीं कि इस competition नहीं है. But yes, they have to keep this in mind. Plus, see, the problem only with Suzlon currently is no that the valuation what the company is deriving, no, it's almost 93 p. Okay, and if you see the recently quarterly result also, no, it's not good. Okay, overall, if I see year on year, quarter to quarter, of course it is negative, but overall year on year quarterly profit growth is there, but quarter to quarter as it has gone negative, that is where the everyone becomes skeptical कि भाई क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. If you compare to that, if you see the Inox Wind is having a quarter to quarter positive growth, almost 91% profit growth, and yearly quarterly year on year almost 443% growth. However, against that, Suzlon is having a 34% negative growth. That is one of the concern now. See, because देखो एक simple सी बात है, when you are in a highway, no, even though if there is a small break, no, your speed will go down drastically. Correct. And similarly, when you have company like Suzlon who are going with a full speed, no, the way the prices are going up, this type of little bit of hiccup also it will create a problem. Okay, again, when they feel that there is a visibility problem, that they are not able to execute the orders because whatever reason it may be, it will have an impact on stock. If you ask about the other ratios and all that, overall it is good. Okay, but the only problem is remaining is nothing but no, the capacity installation and plus the execution. That is the main concern. It's not that the orders they are not going to get it. Orders they have lot of orders again, and the globally also they will have lot of orders. Just on this matter, if no analysts and the investor get much more visibility, I think this stock may do well. But currently the problem is that only that it is not coming at the terms of the investor what they are thinking about. And overall, if you see the historical data also, and ROE and all that, ROE, ROC, much about 24% and above. And no, the data is much more better than Inox Wind also. Okay, even Inox Wind they have do not have that type of data. Again, basically, one thing is shared that industry risk is always there. That if government policy changes or something related to the commodity prices changes, interest rate volatility, all this may impact the growth of the company. Okay, they have a order book, that is not a problem. Cash position is much better. In even when we compare Suzlon Energy with the next competitor Inox Wind, let me just make give you a comparison just to have an idea. See, total basically capacity of Suzlon is almost 3600 megawatt, and how much is Inox is 1600 megawatt, more than double of that. Again, you know that they got almost a net profit of 66 and 60 crore rupees in financial 24. Again, Sinox Wind is almost 70 crore. So in that way also they are much more ahead. Order book already told, no, they have a 5 gigawatt of order book compared to 2.9 gigawatt of order book which Inox is having. Again, debt reduction, now this is where the thing changed for Suzlon over the years. Earlier, the debt was 13,137 crore rupees in 2020, which has gone down to 110 crore rupees on financial 24. Against that, Inox Wind is actually their debt level is going up. Earlier, in 2020 it was 845 crore rupees, and now it is 3,200 crore rupees. Okay, so quite a good level. No, the debt level has gone up. Okay, and operating margin for Suzlon is always a positive side. However, around 6%. However, the if you talk about Inox Wind is almost minus 22% over the years. When we talk about, just to give you an understanding of debt to equity ratio, Inox Wind is having a 1.3 debt to equity compared to what the Suzlon is having, only 0.1. So in that perspective, Suzlon is much more ahead, and Suzlon, honestly speaking, one of the best turnaround in recent history for any company, from going to almost bankrupt to the way they have come up. Almost they crossed 1 lakh crore initially, market capitalization, first time in their history. Now currently it is 91,000. Now because the stock has come down, but yes, they have done extremely well. But from here, our question is always one thing, no, that अभी यहाँ से क्या करना है यार, वो बता दो, बाकी सब तो ठीक है. See, the as I told you, the concern related to Suzlon is that, no, are they able to continue the performance what they have? Little bit hiccup is there here and there, so we have to see next time what will have quarter on quarter also the profitability. Now there may be a reason of the season and the monsoon season and all that, but yes, we have to see 1 or 2 quarter and check how they are going to go from here, because the valuation already is demanding valuation. And as a no research analyst, no, I'll think twice, no, before investing, unless I can see, okay, a good pickup in the profitability is coming up. Again guys, this is just a suggestion, not a recommendation, just for your education. I am a SEBI registered research analyst, but I am not invested in this stock, and many of my clients may have invested, then I don't know. Okay, that keep in mind guys. And if you want to know our research services guys and what type of recommendations says we provide, link is given below, you can go and check it out. Okay, so guys, and also you can attend our masterclass also. So these are the points which I wanted to talk about Suzlon in short. Hope you like this video guys. Do like it, share it to everyone, and do subscribe to our channel. And now let me take some of the questions. I'll take 3 4 questions out of the so many questions we are getting every day. But let me take some question. If you have any question, put it in the comments. I'll try to take it next time. Okay, so the first question I'm getting it is that 1 minute. Yeah. So what about? Please tell me about Adani Energy Solution. Well, Adani Energy Solution, I think it's in much more better shape. This question is by Ankit KR4119, and I think much better shape compared to, Adani Green and Adani Power. I think you can check my video on the Adani stocks, earlier, and I think if you have that stock now, you can keep it. Just wait for few quarter. I think it is comparatively, the ratios are good, and I think the results are also coming okay. Okay, so you can hold it. Please do an SBI cards and do a video. This question is by Logesh Vadana S5537. Well, SBI cards, honestly, I'm not too much bullish on that, Yogesh. No, because it's not Yogesh, sorry, it is Logesh, sorry. Logesh, I'm not too much no bullish on the SBI cards. I feel that no, this stock will take some time to recover, and no, there are lot many problems going on, and plus MFI loan, that lending and all the problem. Again, the personal loan, much more, you can say that no bad debts are coming. So I think SBI cards, I think you should avoid it if you have. Just do your own research before investing, but yeah, this is what my suggestion. uh, Monk spiritual is telling that please do a video on Hindi, and okay, I'll try to make it, but no, फिर क्या होता है, sometimes Hindi, sometimes English, no, तो वो confuse हो जाते हैं. तो I thought, okay, let me keep it in Hindi, but okay, in future I'll try to keep it in English also, sorry, Hindi also. Please, Pankaj Jain is telling that please make a video on PFC, RSC, SJVN, EIN, IRB Infra, IRDD, NTPC, NHPC. Means PSU company is talking about mostly performance. Okay, not PSU, but these are the companies. Oh, I'll try to make it, Pankaj, as and when I get time. And of course, no, I do take your request also in the past. So yes, we'll try to cover that also. Okay. Then another question. I'll take 1 or 2 question more. So please tell me about I think it is Imtiaz Rifal. Can I hold HLE glass coat? It is down by 74%. No, I've seen that, Imtiaz, I reviewed that. I've seen your comment earlier, but I reviewed that I'm not too much bullish on that stock. So my from my perspective, it will be avoid only. Okay, and I think there are much better stocks available. You can track it and you can invest it. Okay, चले guys, यहाँ तक रखते हैं. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you soon next time. I'll take some of your question next video. Many videos are coming, so as and when time get no, I'll take your questions. Okay, so thank you very much, and thank you for joining, guys. See you in the next video.